Hello and welcome back. In this next video, we have documents that we can access here and also here. So we have the possibility to set three documents. We have three slots and we can customize each of those documents in over than 30 languages. So here we have it in English, but we can always add a different one as well. So we have the possibility to enable or disable a document if you don't have a current use for this document on your website. And you can also add those new language as I just mentioned it. For each document, you can define a name. You can insert the URL page where it is hosted. You can upload a PDF file, or you can also generate a document directly through AdOpt. So this is a very uh, interesting option, especially for the cookie policy. And I want to show you this because this one was already created. So I'm going to delete it and I will create a new one from scratch. So when I click here on open questionnaire, I will have a few steps to cover. So I will present a cookie audit table. Yes, I want it. This is like the cherry in the top. This is like the best that we have here. Uh, we will input a effective date, so always the closest one. And also here we have a tutorial on how to delete cookies on the browser. So the visitor entering your cookie on your website and accessing the cookie policy will have access to a tutorial on how to delete cookies from his browser. And by doing so, he will have access to a content that helps him to have a better uh, navigation across the internet free of cookies. Okay, this is not mandatory, but you could add this as well. And we also have different fields that you could add new details, but this is going to be clear moving forward. Okay, here we have all regarding layout. We can change the layout of the document and also change the colors, even add, no, I'm mistaken. But here we can change the colors, we can change the font, we can change the size, and yep. So I will click here in generate document, and in a few seconds, it did the document. So I'm gonna finish, I'm gonna see the document, and here we have the cookie policy. So we have this standard texts over here. So what are cookies? How do we use cookies? And also the cookie table. So this is based on the last scanner that AdOpt did on the website. And whenever AdOpt runs a new one, this table can be automatically updated. So this is specifically interesting because you will not need to have a specific task on your side taking cover of the cookies and someone doing the work to manually doing this and checking all of the cookies on the website. So AdOpt does it for you automatically. So this is a very good option to consider on your side. So we do recommend this especially for the cookie policy. If you don't have a privacy policy, we also have the generate document here, and you can compare if you have already a existing document to see if we suggest different things, different sections, and you can make your whole document more robust if you want. And always after you generate a document, you also have the option to edit the text. So you could also include different specifications, different things that cover your scenario, okay, that cover your operation as well. Okay, and yep. And even if you don't use one of those documents, you can change, you can make it disable and save. Or let's say that you have a third document that you want to display on your cookie banner, but it is not the terms of use, it's a different document. You could use this slot over here, insert the URL, let's say, save it, and later on, I will not save it like this, but later on you could go back to the style section, come here to the, let me present it in English, to the terms of use title, and change the name of the document in order for it to be presented with a different name. So here is where you change the text, and here is where you submit the document. And the name of the document here is only for identifying purposes. I'm not sure if that's the correct way to say it, but yes. So this name over here is just for you to understand inside the platform of AdOpt. So what is this document for? Because later on, when we are here in the document section of the organization, we will be able to see all of the documents and also link to different disclaimers with ease, in a different with more ease. Okay, so that's it for the documents for now, and yeah, so make sure to add all of your documents. Privacy policy is always recommended, cookie policy as well. Don't forget to save, and I see you in the next one.